Okay, now for this is my lotus wala petal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a beautiful yellow color. You make it yellow. I'm using oil paint color only. I'm not using any other than that. I'm using oil. If you are comfortable with the crayon colors, you can use crayon colors also. I'm using oil paint colors. Is that what I do is I just color and keep them for one day, and the next day I do work with the heating procedure and all that. The same day if you do it, it's going to be easy, but the thing is it's going to come on your hand and sit. So I'm just coloring this. This is just seventh petal, seventh flower. This is how you're going to color it. Nice yellow color. We're making lotus. You're going to heat this, and you're just going to press. See that all of them form in the same way, and you open it. I just want one line, nice one, and then you open it out, so you get this shape. Again I show you. And then open it out. It has to be like this way. Now this is for the lotus. This is earbud, which I've already given the information, and I've colored it yellow. Okay, light dark, light dark. Now what is this? You have to take this all three together and glue it. So like if you take this together like this way and just glue it together. And in that you just put the wire in the center. And now I'm just going to chop this out, extra things. I got this wire here, and I'm going to tape it round. This much is done. Now for that you have this pollens. You have to cut this pollen, spread this out like this, and try to just cover this entire thing randomly. No need of coming exactly, and you have to just stick it. So that's what I'm doing it. I just put it around this wire. I spread this nicely. And I spread this out. If you feel here it is less or something, you can just take some of them, cut it, and then just put it over. Like suppose if I have this cut one piece over here, so you can just take 2 or 3 or whatever. If you feel it is less, remove this out and just stick it like this way over here. Okay, now I'm inserting this. So you have to have patience with this thing because this is too broad and this one is little narrow part, so you have to have little patience while working with this thing. I need to make it a whole little big, so you can just fold it like this way and just cut in a U shape. Be very gentle, go slow. See this. Until the green tape you have to come like this way. Just little glue. Sorry. Edges in a circle form. Sorry. Now again for this you have to cut this in a D. Between the two petals. See, we go with the third one. See, I'm not putting the glue. The reason is it's already too tight. So if you want, you can just put it. Otherwise, just leave it like that. It won't come out. And now the last one. See, now here the ironing has come wrong. See, here the three petals are completely closed and these three are open. So it depends if your ironing is wrong and you have done wrong, so your petals you expect to look it correct. So you have to be very careful because if too much of heat is done, it will shrink and it will become hard. So some petals will become small and some will be remaining big. So be very careful while ironing it. And this again, go gentle, slowly. This is how your flower comes.